What's up, you guys, and welcome to the video. I'm here at my property, and I just thought it'd be a good idea to give you guys an update because it's been a while since I uploaded on this channel. So I have a window tinting business, window film business. A lot of you guys are here for that, but I also use this channel as a personal diary, kind of showing the vlogs and the journey and all that stuff. And this video, I actually finished editing the video you guys are about to watch right now, and I realized I need some context. So my wife and I, we went and got married legally in the San Francisco Courthouse. This video was dedicated to basically showing that whole experience, and I think it's important as a business owner and just in general, filming your life journey. You know, when I started this channel, I was literally, I think, in my parents' house tinting out of a garage, and here we are at a 1.4 acre property. We're building our house, and I've been with my girl for 9 years, and we're also literally building a house and having our first child in November. So crazy to see the journey, what's changed, and it's really a good opportunity for me to film and, you know, track the journey on YouTube. So one day I can show my kids, or I can just enjoy it and, you know, watch the videos in the future. And I think it's important to have those. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is a really cool place in San Francisco. If anyone's ever looking to get married in the San Francisco Courthouse, we had a great experience, and I hope you guys enjoy. So, and there's a couple little, like, we're making fun of one of our guys at work. He so there's a couple little notes about Jared in there. So hope he doesn't take it too seriously, but we like to mess with him because he's one of our video editors. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
How does it feel to be married?
Okay, everyone, jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. She actually did it. I don't do that anymore because I got stuck.
Jared edits the video, so we're gonna have little hints of like Jared's gay if we look up. So we're getting some food. Jared,
What is going on?
Diego, do you want to say something?
It's like the most Jared's gay.
Your favorite? Delicious.
Wait, give me a pen. Give me a pen. Give me a pen.
Here's some what you ordered.
The tortellini with the salsa parmesan.
Okay. Come on. And you guys, lasagna?
Raviolis.
I don't know how to call this a pasta, but it's meatballs.
You never ordered meatballs. And I got.
These meatballs are really good, Mike.
That's if I don't like it.
I'll play it. All right, guys, so we're out eating lunch. It's a little late lunch. People here are super nice. I got her a nice t-shirt. They also wrote us a really nice personal message for They also wrote us a really nice personal message. It's really sweet of them for what, you know, them serving. It's such amazing food. And
What message?
amazing letters. Really appreciate all that they do here.
Oh my god.
Let me see. Salud.
You know, that's cheers con el teléfono.
Yeah, you can get it.
I'll try it.
We'll try it.
Salty caramel cream cold milk.
You can just use it. This is what it's like.
Coffee is.
No, yeah.
Small thing. You can shit anywhere you like.
Rings, ¿sí los pusiste por favor?
Yeah. All right, guys, we have made it to Restoration Hardware. We're officially married. So now we're going to eat at Restoration Hardware. Get a nice little date. How do you feel being married?
Like a brand new woman.
Yeah. We keep hearing great things about this place, so we're gonna check it out.
We're not. This is at the house.